Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you. Now this is a release on the 25th of the month, meaning some of these items you might have seen before, but maybe they're brand new to you. So you gotta check your stash before you place that order. But some of these items are items I took on HSN a long time ago, and they sold out, and I was finally able to get them on our release schedule. Yay! And some of these items are left over. For example, the Summer Brights ribbon pack. We have a blue, a purple, a yellow, a green, and an orange, that fun orange, that stuff that really, it's like a fake leather string. Those are our favorites, right? That is limited edition. Once it's gone forever, so grab that if you want it. We are also releasing any leftovers that we have of the Home with Friends collection that included the pansy color. So we have a couple extra of these paper pads, and we thought, you know what, we should definitely put them on the website. And you know what, some of these are like my absolute favorite colors. And there's a lot of cutting sheets, which is really fun. Gotta love those as well, right? Limited edition. Once they're gone forever. Also, since we're releasing this, if you missed out on the pansy ink and refill, the largest pad size, grab it now. It's now available on the website. You might have gotten it with the kit, but if you missed out on that kit because it did sell out, now's your chance to pick up that refill and the pansy ink pad, which is absolutely beautiful. It's the dark purple. Oh, it's just beautiful. And it matches that paper pad. Hello, isn't that awesome? Now, way back when, I think this is the first time I went on HSN. I honestly believe it was the first time. I took on a Cupcake Fold It, and this is a really fun Cupcake Fold It. Makes really awesome shaker cards and has cute little dies for confetti if you want, or to put in your shakers, and it comes with a large size of epoxy dots. Isn't that awesome? I know. Buy the buy the cupcake set, get the epoxy dots for free. Pretty awesome, right? So available now. I have lots of samples to share with you. Stay tuned. Also available by popular demand. I had actually forgotten about this one, and I can't believe it. And some people were asking me on one of my lives. They're like, when are those Slimline layering dies coming out? I want them. I missed them. HSN didn't buy very many of these, and they sold out. In fact, I'm not even sure I took these on the air because they sold out really, really fast. So now's your chance to get these. We have the lattice and that circle of circles. It's almost like a fireworks look, but it's an awesome option. Now, let's jump in and look at all of our fun samples. As a matter of fact, you got to see this one earlier this month. There's that lattice background, which you absolutely love. Oh, also, just a heads up on this one. On the HSN one, I didn't include one of the layering dies. I'm sorry, one of the shadow dies. This one will actually have both shadow dies. Now, if you got it on HSN, you have the shadow dies in another set, don't worry. But I figured on this one, I'm just gonna throw it in so we can make sure you have them, okay? But look at how fun that is. So you're gonna have a die that makes the lattice. You're also gonna have a die that makes the background. So you have two different options. If you use both dies together, you'll get the yellow. If you use just the largest die, you'll get the orange. So awesome, right? Here's another option, gorgeous, right? Same thing. If you want the pink, you're gonna use both dies. If you want the background only, you're gonna use just the largest die. Here's another one. The lattice is so fun, but then you're thinking, oh, I love the lattice. But then you see this circle one and you're like, oh my gosh, maybe that's my favorite. It's so hard to pick which one's your favorite, right? Look at that. They both come in the kit, which is so nice because you know what? Sometimes you just can't tell which one's your favorite. They also are perfect for vertical. Here's two different vertical options as well. So awesome. Here's another one. You could also make a door hanger out of it. How cute would this be to put on your little handle on your door? So cute. You just put a circle in there. Welcome. Or you could add our cute little bears. I love these little bears. This is the Bear Gang to Stamp dies. So adorable. I love it. Here's a cute one. Thanks, with our fun little butterflies. Here is a very, very summery looking one. I absolutely love it with our sunglasses and our candles. You could even use it for Happy New Year. Look at that, gorgeous with our glitter paper back there. Can you see it just glittering it up the whole world here? Look at that. Here's a cute one. Thank you. So many different fun options. Now let's jump in and look at our cupcakes, because let me tell you, I have to be honest, I think this cupcake is my favorite fold-it I ever took on HSN. Out of all the fold-its I took on HSN, I think this one is my favorite. There are so many different options. Who doesn't love a shaped card? Am I right? Look at these options. Here's 4 different options right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let's put that one right there. Let's see if we can add some more here. Here's another cute one. Happy birthday. Here's that shaker I was talking about. So fun to do the little shakers as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so many different options. Change the colors, you've changed the card completely. Look, all of these, there's 4, 5, 6 ones right there, totally different. Here's another one, birthday wishes, another shaker, which is really fun. You guys, look, here's another one, 3D inks for sprinkles. 3D inks for sprinkles, you guys. Again, 3D inks for sprinkles. Love it. Here's another cute one. Happy. Love it. Oh, you guys, there's so many. Cut it out of felt if you want to. This is cut out of our wool felt. Or, hello, put it on a Slimline card. Isn't that awesome? You're going to love that cupcake. And don't forget, it comes with the free epoxy dots. So if you haven't gotten that cupcake, you literally, honestly, you have to get it. You just have to, because that's one you're going to use all the time. All the time. It makes great shakers, and it comes with the free epoxy dots, and you get the club discount. It's like, it can't be beat. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.